Becoming a NATS air traffic controller is one of the fastest routes into air traffic control in the UK, but also one of the toughest. That's where our NATS test preparation comes in. The recruitment process includes 3 stages, starting with online psychometric aptitude tests, continuing to personality assessments, and finishing with an assessment centre. These assessments target key air traffic controller skills like spatial awareness, which includes monitoring and recognizing relative positions, logical reasoning, both inductive and deductive formats, tests that measure short-term memory like Gridchallenge. And let's not forget the gamified assessments including Motioncgallenge and multitasking. Our NATS PrepPack is expert developed, with a convenient and easy-to-use practice library with material that mirror the real test. Join our satisfied customers now. Get ready to sharpen your skills and start preparing with Jobtestprep today by clicking on the link in the description below. Your career starts here.